Malik Iftikhar Ahmed. Malik Iftikhar Ahmed is a Pakistani politician who was a member of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab from 2008 to May 2018. Early life and education. He was born on 15 May 1972 in Islamabad. He has completed intermediate level education. Political career. He was elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League and PMLN from constituency PP-10 Rawalpindi X in a by-poll held in August 2008. He received 18,322 votes and defeated an independent candidate, Malik Iftikhar. He was elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of PMLN from constituency PP-. He received 42,539 votes and defeated Umar Tanvir, a candidate of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI. References